She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me where have you been?
So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And just jumping right in, we're just gonna start with some freshly washed and blow dry hair. As you can see, like it's fresh, it's moving. You're gonna split it into two parts and clip one side up, and yeah, just clip it up, clip it up. Y'all know I'm good for a little clip up. I always split a half into a half, so that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna split the other half. See, I'm telling y'all, into a half. And we're just gonna clip the front side up. The main purpose is to have like four parts basically. And you're gonna take your favorite like holding spray. Mine is got to be. I ran out of my other one, so that's my backup. And you're just gonna brush it through, and you're gonna clip the rest of your hair up. You're gonna take your flat irons and you're just gonna put the hair in it and just turn and pull the hair out, and you're just gonna pull it through. You're just gonna pull it through. Make sure you don't have like such a tight grip on it like I do. You just want to make sure it's like seamlessly going through. And when you get to the middle of your head, you're just gonna keep turning. You're just gonna keep turning once you start getting closer to the end. And then you're gonna rotate it all the way up, and you're just gonna hold it and wait for that hair to just basically catch some heat, and then you're gonna let it go. See, that's how it's supposed to look. So again, put the hair in there, and then you're going to just glide that straightener down your hair until you get closer to the middle, and then you're just gonna start rotating that hair back up the straightener. Hold it for heat, just make sure it gets hot. And then once it's hot enough, you're just going to go ahead and drop that curl and let it go. So I am going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see like really what I'm doing. So again, you're going to put the hair between. You're going to turn it away from your face. Make sure you're always turning your hair away from your face, especially if that's how you like your curls. So yeah, you're gonna pull that straightener all the way through, and just so it's just, don't be so tight on it like I was. Like, I don't know what was going on with me that day, but listen, just hold it like tight enough so that the hair glides through. You're gonna hold for heat, and then you're gonna pull it out, and then you get like a nice pretty curl like that. So again, on the zoom, you're going to go ahead, pull that hair through, make sure it's all in the straightener, and you're just gonna glide your straightener through the hair like so. See, I'm having a little trouble because I was holding on to that iron for my dear life. Just hold it a little loose. Hold it a little loose, and you'll be good. Hold for heat, and then you're gonna drop that curl. See? And then I'm gonna go to the other side. So again, we're going to go ahead and spray that with our holding spray. Make sure you brush it through. I forgot to show that part, but you're gonna split that hair up a little bit, clip it to the top, and for the other side, you're still gonna turn it away from your face. You're still gonna turn it away from your face. Make sure you turn all your curls like away from your face. And I know on the other side it can be a little difficult. It was a little difficult for me to like grasp at first too, but we don't want our curls all going different directions. So make sure you turn it away from your face, and then you can go ahead and repeat the rest of the steps. So again, just turn it away from your face like this. See, 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 see. And then you're going to twist that all the way back up. You're going to let it catch some heat. And don't mind like the spot on my hand. I was doing my makeup before I started doing my hair, so it's there. And there are the curls. So again, you're going to turn it away from your face, grab that hair, and just glide the iron through. Make sure you rotate the iron so that the piece of hair that you grabbed is on the outside. And then like you're gonna wrap it up. That straightener, hold for heats. Like hold for heats and then let it go. Same thing, we're holding for heat. And then we're gonna let the curl go. And then this is what the curls are gonna look like. So here's the top. And the top can be a little tricky too. But honestly, it's really the same thing. Especially like if you have layers, you do want to make sure that you kind of like hold it a little bit longer so your hair like stands out, like the layers stand out a little bit, versus like towards the back of your hair. I had to make sure my flat iron was still on because it was like beeping telling me that it's gonna shut off, so I had to click something. But yeah, you're gonna hold for heat and you're gonna let that go. See, hold for heat and you're gonna let it go. Do you see how pretty that curl is? So here's the top when I got like towards my leave out, and I was like a little scared with my leave out, but you know how long to like hold it there. Just hold it there long enough for the hair to get hot, and then you're gonna drop that curl. Oh my god, I don't know why I left that in there, but anyways, you're gonna hold that in there and you're going to twist it up, hold the curl in there, hold for heat. Make sure you're not holding too long, especially if you have like leave out and stuff out. You don't want to damage our hair, but hold for heat and let it go. And we're just gonna keep doing that all the way until we get to the front of our head. See? And I'm gonna go ahead and move to the other side because we like how this came out. So we're gonna move to the other side, do the same thing on the other side, go in with the holding spray. And like I'm telling you guys, it is really so simple. When you do this yourself and you're like, oh my gosh, it was always this simple, come back to the comments and thank me. So again, you're just gonna flip that hair away from your face so that the part that you're holding is on the outside of the flat iron. And you're gonna drag that through and twist the curling iron, well, the flat iron, all the way back up. You're gonna hold for heat and you're gonna let the curl go. Same thing, we're holding for heat here, just holding it, just holding it, just holding it to make sure it gets thoroughly heated. And then you're gonna drop it and let that curl go. Same thing like with the top. I think I might split this in two. I think I thought it was too big. Yeah, so we're gonna split that in two, curl away from our face. Make sure that tail is on the outside of the flat iron and drag it through. Twist it all the way back up to the top. We're gonna hold for heat. And then we're gonna let it go. So pretty, right? Same thing, you're gonna twist it away. Again, making sure that the tail is away from your face. Twist it back up and we're gonna hold for heat. And then we're gonna let it go. Boom. So this is what it looks like right now. I was just trying to get everything to blend, and then you're gonna take your holding spray and spray over the top one time, and then let it sit. Let it sit for like 20 minutes. And then you're gonna come back in, you're gonna grab a comb, and you're just gonna comb those curls through on both sides. Like this. Comb it out. And sometimes like I take a brush to it too. Just I think really I only take a brush to it when I have like leave out, so I can make sure that it blends like seamlessly. But usually I don't really take a brush to it. I just feel like a comb better fluffs the curls. So really, if you have leave out, take a brush to it just a little bit. But if you don't have like leave out or anything like that, really a comb should just work perfectly fine. I just fluff it up in the back, pull it forward, just checking out my curls, and this is how we're looking. Some nice and like loose and fluffy curls. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.